Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Andrew Santos. Today I'm going to show you the proper hand washing. But before that, I would like to introduce the proper hand washing techniques. So, proper hand washing techniques are standardized to remove dirt, microorganisms, and to from the hands to prevent infection, to disease transmission. So, when to wash our hands, before and after eating, before and after using the toilet or bathroom, before and after donning and doffing gloves, before doing the procedures, and before um, taking care of the patient to another. So, before we start, I have here our material for hand washing. So before we start, we'll make sure to remove our jewelry in our hand and to our wrist. Then make sure if you're wearing a long sleeve, roll it up until above the elbow, and make sure that you are away from the faucet, so you don't get wet your garment. So first, pick up one tissue to open the faucet, and then to to make sure the the water flow is hot or cold, and then after that, throw the tissue to the discard tissue to waste receptacle, and then rinse your hand, and then add soap using your hand, and then take a ladder, and then take up orange stick, rinse it, clean each finger underneath, rinse it again, clean your other hand underneath, one by one, then rinse it. If this one is disposable, discard to waste receptacle. If not, put it back to the kidney basin. After that, grab the nail brush, rinse it, and then brush your hand, your fingernail, and then rinse again, brush your fingernail, rinse again, and this one is reusable, put it back to kidney basin. Then add soap using your elbow, make a lather, and then now I'm gonna show you the different stroke of hand washing simulation. So palm to palm, make friction, palm to back of the hands, make friction, other side, make friction, finger interlacing, make friction, finger interlocking, make friction, other side, make friction, each finger in rotatory motion, make friction, other side, other hand, make friction, and then patch finger to your palm, circular motion, make friction, other side, your palm, make friction, and then rinse your hand, your wrist, and then to the other side. After that, rinse your hand all the way to the elbow, other side, and then make sure that your hand should be higher than your elbow, and grip it up. And then get the towel. Get a towel. Dry your both hands first, other side, and then from your wrist to elbow, single stroke, and the other side, from the rest to the elbow, single stroke, and then drop the towel, and then get a tissue to close the faucet, and then